So that's 100 feet. There's 224.
All right, away we go. And as I said, I'm trying to
Fly into the wind. Surprised I can still hear it. It's 450 feet away at 223 feet, but I can still hear it. Thousand feet away. $3,000 feet. Still got a crystal clear picture. 4,000 feet. Keep getting these high wind velocity warnings, which I guess up that high it might be higher wind velocity. 5,000 feet. 6,000 feet. 5.5 minutes into the flight. 79% battery. $11,000 feet. 62% battery. So I have a feeling when this gets down to 60, 55, I'm going to have to turn around because I want to make sure I can make it back. %60 battery. Says transmission signal, adjust antenna, weak image transmission signal, adjust antenna, weak image transmission signal, adjust antenna, weak signal, adjust antenna, and avoid signal block. Alright, that's as far as I'm going to go. I'm going to see if I can get to 12. Weak remote signal. Alright, there's 12,000 feet. I'm going to turn around and head home. And hopefully the battery and the wind will get us back. We're at 56%. $2,000 feet, 35% battery. I can hear it. $1,000 feet. Oh, there's the barn. 32% battery. 500 feet.
Landing.
Whoa. Wow, okay, 29% battery, flew it 12,000 feet away. So I just flew this guy 12,000 feet away and got down to 29% battery. There's a decent breeze out here today, and I think that had a lot to do with it. I flew it into the wind away from me, and it took a while to get to 12,000 feet. It came back much faster, but it started getting a weak transmission signal at 12,000 feet, and I realized at that point I should probably turn around because I didn't want to run out of battery. So my conclusion on this is that the battery's limitation is pretty much in line with the limitation of the actual transmission signal, meaning that you may run out of battery before you run out of transmission signal depending on the amount of